Good morning, class 3. In the last class, I have discussed with you the question answer of the chapter A, B, C, and the D and E part is remaining now. So, we will do in this class. First of all, I have cleared to you that you will do A, B, C, and D part in your book, and E part you will do in your notebook. I will send you a PDF of all the answers. In the PDF, you will just do the A to D part in your book, and the E part, that is the answer of following question, you will do in your notebook. So let's start the true and false first, and that is G part, and D part you will do in your book. Okay, till the D part you will do the book, and the E part you will do in your notebook. So first start from the question number first. Theme can be created by the user in Windows 7. So that is a true. We can create the theme, we can change the theme, we can change the color, we can change the screensaver. So all these things can be created in Windows 7 and can be changed. So answer of the first question will be true. So the next is screensaver increase the energy consumption. So that is not a true part, because energy consumption is a constant of the computer. It not will be changed in any condition. So screensaver is not increase or decrease the energy consumption. So that statement is totally false. So the answer will be second, will be false. Okay. Now going to the third. To open an icon, right click on it and select open option. Yes, that is a very easy process. I have told you that there is two type you can open and close the icon. First you will double click on it, it will be open automatically, and first you can right click from the mouse and there is an option of open. When you click on it, it will be open. So there is two method to open the icon. Okay, an icon can be file, folder and program. Now the fourth is the left side of taskbar is called the notification area. So this is false statement. The notification area is the last right part of the taskbar. So that is a false. Now the fifth one is the taskbar is a short horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. This is not a short, that is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Okay, डेस्कटॉप जो आपकी मेन स्क्रीन है उसके सबसे नीचे की तरफ जो स्क्रीन आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देती है ब्लू कलर की, दैट इज अ टास्क बार, एंड टास्क बार इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 सेक्शन: स्टार्ट, middle section and notification area. Okay, so here we have complete D part. So till D you will do in your book, and the E part you will do in your notebook. So let's discuss the E part of the chapter, that is answer the following question. So the first question is write a note on taskbar and its components. So recently I have discussed with you a taskbar is a long horizontal bar, and that is present at the bottom of the screen, that is has 3 sections, that is divided into 3 parts: the start menu, middle section and notification area. Okay, so there is book. So there is book I have shown also in your videos. So you can just revise and rewatch the video in which I have discussed with the about the taskbar and its components. Okay, सबसे नीचे डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर एक ब्लू कलर की लाइन होती है, एंड इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. स्टार्ट बटन होता है वहाँ पे, बीच में मिडल सेक्शन बोलते हैं, जितने भी आपके वर्किंग जितने भी प्रोग्राम्स एंड फाइल है दैट शो ऑन द मिडल, एंड द लास्ट नोटिफिकेशन एरिया, वहाँ पे वॉल्यूम का और इंटरनेट का और जितने भी प्लग्ड इन है उन सब का नोटिफिकेशन जो है वो नोटिफिकेशन एरिया के अंदर शो होता है. So this is the three components of taskbar. And now is the second question is, how can change the desktop background? So there is a I have discussed with you in the video, so I revised this answer, in which first you will move on the desktop. You will just right click from your mouse, there is option of personalize, you will just click on it, a pop-up menu will be open. There are so many pictures available on the menu bar. You will select a particular picture or background image, and when you click on it, it will be automatically changed. Okay, so that is the process to change the desktop background. So let's move on the third question. Differentiate between the three versions of window on the basis of their features. So that's answer, that's question I have discussed in the previous class, in which I have discussed with you the difference between Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10, and so there is a differences I have discussed with you. Okay, तो एक बार वापस से देख लेते हैं हम लोग. पहला है Windows 7, 8 और 10. ओके, ये वाला पार्ट, इसके अंदर हमने फीचर्स कंपेयर किए थे आपस में, विंडोज 7 के, 8 के और 10 के. एक बार वापस से देख लेते हैं. पहला शट डाउन एंड स्टार्टअप, सबसे फास्ट किसके अंदर होता है? विंडो 10 में. उससे स्लो किस में होगा? विंडो 8 में. और सबसे स्लो होगा विंडो 7 में. लेकिन विंडो 7 फास्ट किससे होगा रेस्पेक्टिवली? जो प्रीवियस वर्जन है, और प्रीवियस वर्जन कौन सा है? एक्सपी. ओके, फिर है थीम्स. In this Windows 7, we can theme can be created by user. Same is 8 and same is 10. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो बैकग्राउंड का जो कलर्स है वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट यूज़ कर सकते हैं बाय यूजर्स. ओके, so that is the best for Windows 10. Reliable means who is very credentials, काफ़ी सिक्योर कौन सा है? तो Windows 10 है. रिलायबल भी Windows 10 है, रेस्पेक्टिवली Windows 7 से और Windows 8 से. Okay, so this is so that is the basic difference between the Windows 7, 8 and 10. तो बस आपको इसमें से कोई से भी 2 पॉइंट लिखने हैं. तो जो मैंने आपको PDF में शेयर करूँगा वो आपको नोटबुक के अंदर राइट डाउन करना है. ओके, so now move on the fourth question. What is the icon? So the icon are the small pictures and graphic on the desktop, and when we click on it, it will be open. Okay, write a short note on these three icon of the desktop. तो कोई से भी आप सिर्फ नाम लिख दीजिएगा, जैसे रिसाइकल पिन, माई कंप्यूटर, ओके, एंड इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर. सो दीज आर द आइकन्स एंड दीज आर द फाइल, फोल्डर और मे बी प्रोग्राम. आइकन्स जो होते हैं सिर्फ फाइल, फोल्डर और प्रोग्राम के क्रिएट किए जा सकते हैं एट द डेस्कटॉप. ओके, now the fifth question is, how will you select and deselect an icon? So that is a very easy process. First you will just click on left click on the mouse from the particular icon, that it will be deselect. और आपको अगर deselect करना है तो वापस आप माउस को किसी और लोकेशन पे ले जाकर लेफ्ट क्लिक करेंगे तो it will be deselect. So that is a very easy process. So I hope you will understand this part, how you will do it. तो A से D पार्ट आपको करना है बुक के अंदर, और E पार्ट आपको नोटबुक के अंदर करना है. ओके, एंड द आंसर ऑफ ऑल द क्वेश्चन आई विल सेंड यू इन अ PDF. So you just download from your portal, student portal, and submit me. Okay, so have a nice day, have a good day students, and if you have any doubt on this chapter, you just send me a message on the your Shanti Niketan login portal. So thank you so much, have a nice day.